So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to add layers in Picsart. So the first thing you want to do is open up the Picsart app. On there you can see your options to add an account. Once you do that, you can see at the top, you can see where I'm swiping, draw and color, and I suggest you click on that. And through here you can create a new drawing or you can use a photo. So I'm just going to show you through a photo since it's going to be easier. Once you've chosen a photo of your gallery or your photos, you can click on that white button in the top right corner. And you can see on here a lot of options. So you can see color, the brush, erase, smudge, fill, shape, add photo, sticker, and so on. So you can see some settings and setups underneath as well. You can see the color at the bottom. On the left side, you can see layers. So you can see the plus sign, you can see this layer right here, you can see it right here. You can even add a layer if you click the plus sign overhead. And you can see now I've added a layer. Now if I want to set it up, this is the original photo. This is the layer, and you can set it up by going to this setup, and you can add colors, you can add stuff to that like blend, opacity, and so on. Once you're done, you can go back to a different one and you can exit the settings. You can see now I'm open to all the setup I had before, and you can add colors to it. You can add other layers to it as well. And there's a lot of stuff you can add on your pictures, your drawings, and so on. So that's how you can add a layer by going to drawings and adding a photo or a drawing through there. So that's about it. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on Picsart or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.